Tide Loads of Hope is a disaster relief program. We go in after a hurricane or flood or wildfire, and we do something pretty simple. We provide a free laundry service for the victims in need. That can mean we send in free Tide product for people to use. It can mean working with local laundromats, and it usually means bringing in our signature truck, which is a free laundromat on wheels.
People think of the food, they think of housing, but no one thinks, how are you going to wash your clothes?
It's a small thing, but it gives people a way to start rebuilding their lives.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
I'll see you next time.
Okay.
The Tide Loads of Hope vehicle has 32 high-efficiency washers and dryers. On a daily basis, we can do 300 loads, and that's what an average family can do in a year.
This is just like a miracle. I couldn't have prayed for more than this because I really need it.
It means a lot that they think about the community because a lot of products, don't do what they're doing.
It's the greatest thing in the world for us right now. The little things that, make the big differences.
We've been tearing out carpet and just trying to get things moved out of the house so we can get them in storage, and it means a lot to be able to have clean clothes.
With all the bad that goes on in our world, to see this happen gives you new hope. It gives new hope, and that's nice.
The Loads of Hope program is something that we can take everywhere, and Tide's committed to continue to do this and help more people. In the grand scheme of things, it's a tiny drop in the bucket, but we're happy to be a part of this little drop in the bucket.
You can help by purchasing a Tide vintage tee at TideLoadsOfHope.com.